Hi everyone, this is Eric speaking. Welcome to my first day on Build in Public in regards to automation processes and more specifically on Nextdoor app. Uh, I've been asked several times already how we do automation on Nextdoor, and therefore I'm going to show you the small execution of our program that is done for one of our customer in France. So it will be an interface in English, but the group is in French, and you will see what our customer can achieve and in a few words, customer wants to automate the broadcast publication of information that is to be found on their website and auto-published on Nextdoor to save them time on a daily basis. So in their case, they could do it every day. They have chosen to publish only prior to every weekend because that's when they want to broadcast and publicize their activities happening on the weekend. And therefore, they are publishing several information that we collect for them from the website of the city of Paris, and we add several information, meaning being mostly some text, some images, the link where they can find even more information linking to their website, and what else? Also, oh yeah, geolocalization by using the street names whenever an event is happening in a specific street of Paris. So, excuse my French. My English is not perfect. You'll recognize probably I'm also a French national, but we do this automation for customers. So if you want to get more information, we have set up just recently a website called nextdoor-agency.com. Go at the footer, and you can contact me via email, which is the easiest way. So we serve many customers, some in France, some abroad, and we can let's say adapt to their needs. And we have different type of customers, whether it's professional people from CPA, accountants, small business owners, also broadcasters, coaches. There's no limit to the type of business. It's just if you have an online presence and you want also to reach people that are in your neighborhoods, and you don't need to find somebody like when you're publishing on the other networks such as Facebook and all the others, Instagram and so on. The biggest advantage, as you know, if you're on Nextdoor already, is that you're directly talking to your neighbors in the same geographical area. So that's the biggest benefit, and your message gets basically broadcasted to everyone. So I'm going now to, and so again, the bottom, the footer of the website, you find my email address, and you can reach me if you have any inquiry. So I'm going to show you a small video that our customer recorded for us, where the automation takes place. So they have a group that they have created some time ago, where they have reached already 7,400 plus members, and they want to inform these people of what's happening next in the neighborhood. And it's related to mostly cultural events and stuff like that. So you see, it's I don't touch the keyboard. Everything is recorded, generated automatically. So it gives some text, a title, a text, a date, a location, and the URL where to find it. So Nextdoor is appending the link automatically. We added also a picture, and on the final step, we will have the geolocalization, because that event related to hip hop will happen in this street, in the 16th district of Paris. So everything that you have seen right now on the screen is an automation, and this we can do. We have learned to do it for customers that want to that do not have time to do this every on themselves by themselves manually every day. They just let automation run on a regular basis, and wait for their audience to join them whenever the people are interested to join that sports event. This one is related to yeah, it's a garden to visit in Paris. So I'll let it run for you a little bit more to see. This is seamless. It will save you some time, and yeah, it will be great saving time. So of course, for this type of activities, ideally speaking, you have to think about creating a funnel within the Nextdoor app, so that people who are interested in you, in your activities, when you are selling services or product, that you're able to get hold of them, that first they can contact you easily, and you can also retarget them at a later stage or push some information. So of course, this conversion funnel, ideally speaking, you want to send them to a place where you can get their phone number or email, both of them, and so you can broadcast also alternatively some promo codes or special offers that you want to offer them. So that's about it. You've seen the repetition of different activities. There's no point to continue. It goes on, and that's it. Up till the loop of sending message is finished. So I hope that was interesting for you. If you have any question, drop them down in the comments, and I will answer you as soon as I can. Have a nice day. That was Eric. Take care. Bye bye.